Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a fingerstyle arrangement of Wake Me Up When September Ends by Green Day. Okay, so just before we get into the lesson, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and press the notification bell. I really appreciate it, and it really helps me out. So let's get stuck in. For this one, we have a nice 4-bar intro just on kind of a G5 chord. So what we do, 3rd fret on the 2nd string and 5th fret on the 4th string with the open 3rd string. So there are your notes there, and we simply play strings 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. Okay, and you just do that 4 times. So and that's your intro, so that's really nice and straightforward. Then the verse comes along, and it goes like this. And then that goes around again. So the chords there are G, and then with an F sharp in the bass, E minor, D, and then really it's a C or C add 9, and then C minor or C minor add 9, and then back to G. So let's start on the G, of course. So 3rd fret, hold the bass, and then play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, play those two together. And then open 2nd string twice. So. And then all you got to do is go from the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret in the bass. And again, you're going to play that 3rd string, 2nd fret with the bass note. Okay, then open 4th string, and then open 2nd string twice. So, put that together. Okay, then open 3rd string. Then the E minor comes along, but what you want to do is play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string with the bass, then the 4th string, and then open 2nd twice. So. Then open 3rd string, and then open 1st string. Okay, so the E minor, back to the G. Then after the E minor comes the D chord. You've just played the top string open. So then hold down a D sus2 shape, so the top string's still ringing out. And I'll play the bass, then the 2nd string, and then I'll pull off 4, 2, open on the 3rd string. So, like that. And then we walk up, open 5th, 2nd on the same string, and then that goes into a C add 9 part. So from the D, going into the D, and then So here, what I'm doing, hold down a C chord, but then you don't actually have to hold down a C chord. It's just habit for me to do that. What you want to do is get the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Okay, so here's your C chord, but really instead of playing the 1st fret on the 2nd string, you're playing the 3rd fret. And once you've got that held down, play the 2nd and the 5th string, then the 4th, and then the 3rd string twice. So, and then I'll just continue to arpeggiate the chord via playing strings 5, 4, 3. So, and then to make this minor, what you have to do is take this note here, the 4th string, 2nd fret, and just drop it down to the 1st fret. All right? And so now, with your fingers in that position, play the 2nd and the 5th string, then the 4th string, and then 1st fret on the 2nd string. So you've gone, and then open 3rd string. So, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then open 2nd string. Okay, so that's a bit fiddly. Okay, so from the C add 9. That goes back to G, so we hold down the bass note, play that, then the open 3rd string, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string, so you've gone, and then you do that again. So it's just like the intro, but this G has gone down to here. Okay, and then if you want to, I'll also get the G string or the 3rd string in the way, because you repeat that twice in between, so up to you, that's what happens in the song, but you could just play. Totally up to you. So that's the verse. Let's play it through once more, really slow. And then good news, you just go straight back to the beginning of the verse and you do that again. So then you're into the chorus and it goes like this. And then it goes kind of back into the verse one more time. So now we're playing E minor, B minor, C, G, F sharp in the bass, and then that goes through again. Yeah, and then that chord progression goes through again. So on the E minor, hold that down, but then also add the 2nd fret on the 3rd string and play that with the bass. So then you're going to play the 4th string and then open 2nd string twice. So, all right. And then for the B minor, I'm just playing it like this. So I'm holding down the 2nd fret on the 5th string and the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, but that's it. So I'll play those 2 strings together, then I'll play the 4th string open, and then the 2nd string open twice, followed by the bass. So, all right, from the E minor. And then in C. So here, hold down a C, play the fifth string with the 2nd string, then open 2nd string, open 3rd string, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So, followed by open 2nd string. Okay? Then that goes back to G, so you can play the bass note on the G. And then I'll play something like the 4th string, the 3rd string, then the bass, and then I'll drop that bass down 1 fret to the 2nd, and I'll do the same thing. So, 2nd fret. Okay, so that's the first 4 bars of the chorus. Then the next 4, the last 4 bars of the chorus, are very similar, but the melody is a bit different. It goes like that. So on the E minor, I believe it's the same as last time. So 6th string and 2nd fret on the 3rd, then the 4th string, and then open 2nd string twice. So then B minor like this. But you just need like a power chord really, that's all I'm doing there. So B5 chord, we hold that down and then play the 3rd string, of course that would be the 4th fret, and the 5th string, which would be the 2nd fret, play those 2 together. And then play the D string, 4th fret twice. Okay, that's basically all that I do there. Open 3rd string, and then C, but without the 1st finger on, so it's like a C major 7 chord really. Play the 2nd string with the 5th, then the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, open 3rd string, and then 2nd fret on the 1st string again. So, and then one more time, because that leads into a D. So, and then hold down a D chord, and we just arpeggiate the chord however you want really, but I'm playing strings 4, 3, 2, 3, and then 1 and 2 together. But I'll probably change it most times I do that. Something like that will be absolutely fine. So that's the chorus. Here it is once more. Then it goes back into another verse, which is virtually the same as before. This is exactly the same, but it's just that bit that's different. So coming out of that C minor add 9 the first time we played, but this time you get like that. So on a C minor add 9, hold that down. We're playing the 2nd string and the 5th string together, then the 4th string, and then we're going to play the 1st fret on the 2nd, open 3rd, so, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string twice, so, and then back to our G chord, we play the bass, open 3rd, and then 3rd on the 2nd, and that's just the. So instead of this time, we've got. Sorry. And then, if you want to. If you want to, you can learn how to play the bridge, and I'm going to be teaching that over on my website. So if you're watching this on YouTube and you want to learn how to play that, get the tab and all of that, then it's available down in the description. So check it out, and I'll see you over there if you want to continue learning how to play Wake Me Up When September Ends. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to 6stringfingerpicking.com for loads more great fingerstyle guitar lessons.